here's a picture, or rather a video, of my pack. That's Priska back there. All out together. Find the treats. Find it. And there's the kennels. Where's the treats? Find it. Let's see. There's Mr. Brutus and Xena. Find the treats. There's Brutus and Xena together. Third one to the right is Akira. That's Priska. And that's Envy. Go get the treats. What are y'all doing? What are y'all doing? Hey, Brutus. Brutus is to the far right. And Xena is right next to him. Go get the treat. Go get it. Where'd it go, guys? Here's Miss Akira. Let me see if I can zoom in. Find the treats. Find them. Where'd they go? That's Mr. Brutus. Brutus! Pretty boy! Hey, handsome! Hey, big head! Oh, look at that face! Hey, Priska! Where's the treats? Find them! We take a lot of pride in the socialization within our dogs. Not all breeders can have a pack of 4 female Rotties out running loose with one another at the same time, just because if they don't get the right training and socialization early on, they can be a bit aggressive towards other females. But as you can see, all of mine, although they do get into little scuffles here and there, normally over a ball or toy of some sort, they get along very well. Isn't that right, Brutus? And Xena with Brutus. I'm going to go down, see if I can get a better view closer up.